To another episode of Travel Chef. Well, today we are going to review some rolls in Kamanahalli, and this is a restaurant called Alamana Cafe. So it seems the rolls and the falafels are pretty good. So let's drive over there and let's taste these rolls. Now we are driving over Hebbal Bridge, and the scenery that we see over the Hebbal Lake is just truly amazing. Of course, at this time there is a bit of a traffic while driving over the Hebbal Bridge. Now we are driving through Hebbal Road. Especially this road is very beautiful as we drive in the evening because the trees beside the road and the beauty is just truly awesome. From Malleshwaram, from Eat Raja to Alamana Cafe is around 15 kilometers, and really it took around 40 minutes to get us there. Now we are almost reaching Alamana Cafe. We are in front of Alamana Cafe right now, and the best part is unfortunately there's not much of lighting over here, but we are going to opt for a takeaway because given the corona situation over here and the restaurant is pretty full. On looking at the restaurant from outside, we see there's not much of crowd, but on getting inside the restaurant, you'll find a lot of people standing in queue, waiting for the orders patiently. So there should be really something good and tasty inside. Now we are in the restaurant and we see there's a lot of crowd behind me. Also, now we need to look at the menu. On looking at the menu, there's a lot of choices. And then in fact we were a little confused which one to order. So we thought of going with what is the best for the day. Usually they write it on the board next to the cash counter, which you'll see that right now. Chicken mix jumbo roll 5. Yeah, 5. Finally we made up our mind to order a chicken jumbo roll. Hardly it cost rupees 130 only. In fact, standing next to the counter was really useful. We were able to see how this person makes these jumbo rolls, and it was super yummy seeing the way they make it. In fact, they place mayonnaise, they place chicken, the cooked chicken along with a little egg and a couple of lettuce, pour some sauce. Wow, it was truly delicious seeing the way they make these rolls. Finally our rolls are ready and he now packs these rolls in a carry bag. We have taken a parcel right now and let's do a review as soon as we reach home. So we are getting back home. There's too much of traffic over here. Finally we are back home after a long drive from Eat Raja and Alamana Cafe, and it's almost pretty late for us to have our dinner, and the next stop is to review our food. Also, it was a very good and lovely experience that we had at Alamana Cafe, so we wanted to share it by a food review we're going to do right now. So let's go over to our food review. What we have got: a chicken jumbo roll, we have a paratha along with mayonnaise, then egg along with chicken. There is lettuce. It's a huge meal and it's a pretty heavy meal in fact. You can find the strong flavor of chicken in the mouth along with the mayonnaise. It's pretty yummy. There's a large quantity for 130 rupees. It's worth it. Nice place to have your rolls. I would recommend you to go over here. We hope you loved watching our video on Al Amina Cafe. Well, I just wanted to tell you we are not getting paid for this. It's just a food review about the rolls that is in this cafe. Apparently, there's a lot of views on the internet saying that it's very good. So we just wanted to try it out. So if you like our video, please like, share and comment on them. This will really give us a motivation to do better videos and to explore new restaurants. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe and see you soon. Bye bye.